switching to a new phone and wondering if UltFone Phone Transfer really works. In this video, I'll review its features, safety, ease of use, pros, and cons so you'll know if it's the right tool for moving your data. Part 1. What is UltFone Phone Transfer? UltFone Phone Transfer is a desktop software for cross-platform data migration between Android and iOS, supporting messages, contacts, photos, videos, and more. Part 2. Key features of UltFone Phone Transfer. Part 3. How to transfer data to new phone with UltFone Phone Transfer. Install UltFone Phone Transfer on your computer, connect Android, and allow the app to install, connect iPhone, and authorize transfer. Click Start, choose Data, then Start Scan. After scanning, click Transfer Data and wait. Part 4. Is UltFone Phone Transfer safe and free? Safety: officially 100% safe. Smooth transfers reported. But some users note poor support and strict refunds. Pricing: $95 month, $34.95 year, $44.95 lifetime. 30-day money back under conditions. Limited free trial only. Part 5. Pros and cons of UltFone Phone Transfer. Pros: fast, selective transfers. Easy for non-tech users. Safe and efficient. No factory reset needed. Cons: poor customer service. Occasional bugs. Limited OS support. No WhatsApp backup. PC-only tool. Low trust on review sites. Part 6. What's the best UltFone Phone Transfer alternative? Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac is a versatile data migration tool that facilitates seamless transfers between Android and iOS devices. It supports various data types, including contacts, messages, photos, and apps. How to use Mobican Transfer for mobile for fast and reliable data transmission. Install Mobican, connect phones, enable debug trust, flip if needed, select data, start transfer, check phone.